making sense of a, an, half, quarter, and 1. The definitive guide. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive deeper into English grammar fundamentals and clear up some common confusion. Specifically, we're going to discuss using a or an with half, quarter, and 1. These are the words where the use of definite and indefinite articles can be a little tricky, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of these special cases. Before we jump into the exceptions and special cases, let's revisit the general rules. We use a and an when we are referring to any one member of a group or type of thing. We typically use a before words that start with a consonant sound, and an before words that start with a vowel sound. For example, I saw a cat in the park. She is an engineer. Remember, it's all about the sound that follows, not necessarily the letter. Now, let's talk about the words half, quarter, and 1. When you're referring to a fractional quantity of something, like half an apple or a quarter of a pie, you use a or an, based on the sound of the word that follows, not necessarily the word half or quarter. For instance, a half hour, the h in hour is silent, so it sounds like it starts with a vowel. And half apple, the word apple, starts with a vowel sound. The word 1 usually takes the article a, but when it's used as a number before another word, it depends on the sound of the next word, not the word 1 itself. For example, a 1-hour meeting, and one-eyed pirate. While it might be tempting to always use an before half, quarter, and 1, since they all start with vowel sounds, this is a common mistake. Always pay attention to the sound of the word that follows. If it starts with a vowel sound, use an. If it starts with a consonant sound, use a. There you have it. The use of a and an with half, quarter, and 1. Remember, the key is to focus on the sound that follows these words and choose your article accordingly. Keep practicing and you'll master this in no time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next English language learning video. Keep learning and happy studying.